I can't wait to oppose this.
We're not basing our request for motion to strike here on Ms. Heard not having testified to sending that tweet.
But you're saying for the motion to strike, the only evidence before the court is that the Washington Post wrote that title.
Correct, and that's very different from what happened the next day. The stipulation didn't go toward who wrote the title. That was never part of anything, and it's undisputed. And Ms. Heard will testify that she didn't write the title.
Well, I understand that, but I think
it's not undisputed, Your Honor. I apologize for interrupting.
Okay. But I think the issue is that whether it was republication.
Well, and I'll get to that next.
But I know, but the problem is, how do I do a motion to strike when that evidence isn't before me yet?
Well, the republication isn't. So the evidence that's before you is that the Washington Post wrote the headline, or that Ms. Heard didn't, and that's the only evidence, and that's not going to change. The tweet, which was the only subject of the discussion at the pretrial conference, where there was no stipulation, it was just an agreement that we're not going to base a motion to strike on them not introducing evidence of the tweet. That was what it was. I'm happy to hand the transcript up if Your Honor would like to see that. But that isn't actionable because under the Lakova versus Halper case, 995 F3rd 134, retweeting a link doesn't constitute republication. Now that case dealt with
it does if you add something to it, but I just don't know the evidence.
Your Honor, very quickly, it's a judicial admission. They admitted in Ms. Heard's answer, she admitted to the tweet. So that establishes that she adopted the op-ed in its entirety, and it was discussed. We talked about judicial admissions. One was the op-ed itself. The second, and this is reflected
Your
in the
Honor, if I could finish my argument, I mean, I would appreciate.
I can't wait to oppose this.
I know, that's fine. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So, and again, we can.